Alrighty, we should be live again. Hopefully, we're all good now. Alright. It's already, Nasdaq's already dropping. I mean, ES is already dropping. 5 minute, 1 minute. Okay, wowzers. Let me just make sure we're all good. That was my wallpaper y'all saw. Hope you like it. Let me get my YouTube up here so I can manage this. Dumping, eh? Maybe now we go for the shorts that we were going for all morning, huh guys? Huh? Maybe it's time? Maybe it's time to go for shorts? Alright, I think we're all good audio-wise, lagging-wise, I hope. Let's see. Wow, we're just dumping, huh? Alright. Nice. Okay. What I want to do here is, I think, I'm going to enter one contract. I'm not going to enter in just yet. There's several fair value gaps here. I would like to enter in right over here. Get a buy order right there. It's quite a little way down. Zohar, you better have made your account. But if we start going up, I'll take a buy right over here as well.
Order filled.
Alright, we got in. Might have been a mistake, but I'm going to set my risk really low. And, yeah. Could be a dead cat bounce, but I'm taking that risk. I'm going to risk $100. And if it is a dead cat bounce, oh, well, we're down $100. It's not a big deal.
Order filled.
Alright, we're down $100. Now we know we're going to go lower. So I'm going to wait for this order to get hit. Even though there are so many other places it can go way lower.
It's 100 degrees out right now.
Yeah, it's boiling hot.
Never mind, it's 101.
Alright, market's still just dropping. My desk is a little low. Just a little higher so y'all can see me. There we go. Alright, I'll take another buy if we bounce up again, if we hit there. Do we sound alright though? My question. Hold on, let's see how I sound. No lag either, which is nice. Seems like we sound pretty good. If we go lower, I'm gonna take a short. Do we sound alright though? My question. Let's see how I sound. Yeah, we sound good. No lag either, which is nice. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah. If we go lower, we take a short. If we go higher, we take a buy. It's as simple as that. We let the market decide where it wants to go. We don't fight it. That's a lot better. Make this a little bigger now. Great. Nice. Where is the market gonna go?
Nah, you gotta choose that music, bro.
I wanna get it. Alright, put some music on for y'all.
It's something more hype.
Alright, looks like we're popping up right
I
now.
love this song, bro.
One that's playing?
Yeah.
Looks like we might get into a buy over here. I don't mind that. That's pretty fine with me. Alright, looks like we're taking a buy over here.
Order filled.
Be really funny if we just reject it. I'm gonna put my stop loss right over here, because we already got stopped out once over here at the dead cat bounce, so I thought it was. Now maybe we're actually gonna bounce up, so there's no reason for me to have to risk more than another $100. And take profit will be right over at this fair value gap. About a 1 to 2.5 win ratio. And we reject. No. Is the music loud enough? Do you guys hear it well? And we reject. You guys don't even hear the music. Oh, you do? Okay, nice. Yo, we got anyone in chat, or am I just talking to myself over here? It's just how it be, bro. Got me and my gallon of water. You guys like the title? Slow Market Thingz. We're gonna have a little pop up. If we do, I'll take another contract. I'm trying to find better music, guys. Settle down. Markets are super slow, as you all know. I said slow market things. That's fine. That's fine. That is a-okay. We're just chopping around for now. Market just opened 15 minutes ago. I noticed the 15-minute candle when you're trading Asia session is super crucial. So I got 15-minute open right over here. Looks like we got bought up again, which is crazy. Let's see if we go lower. We could. We very well could.
Order filled.
Yup. Just as I said it. Literally just as I said it. So, what is that telling me? We might get filled with a stop, which I am fine with. I'm totally fine. So on the 5-minute chart, you can really see it was just a dead cat bounce. We really want to go lower. So, yeah. Only down 193. Big whoop. I would like to see price go back here and test out that breakout we had this morning. So that's something. I'm going to look for a sell. If we break through this initial red candle we had, I'm going to look for a sell all the way down to this fair value gap pretty much right over here. 3 green consecutive candles. It's a nice gap in the middle. Small one, but it's a gap nonetheless. We'll see. If this candle gets bought up, then I'm gonna take a buy. Very, very simple logic. Really? Are you serious right now? I did not think we were gonna pop back up like that. We're looking at the 5 minute here though, don't forget. Alright, see we closed on the 1 minute chart, we closed below the 9 EMA and we're already below the 50 EMA. So I'm only gonna take a buy if we break through here. But I would like to see price shoot down. That's where I want price to be going. I'm gonna look for a sell regardless of what happens. Honestly, I don't think price wants to go up. Or maybe I'm wrong again. I don't know. I'll take a sell right over there on that fair value gap. 3 consecutive red candles, boom, gap. Fill over there. Yeah, it's fine. Wow, her candle got bought up. Oh guys, I'm tired. But my goal is to make 500 or like 300 to 400 Asia session, so I can only have to make like 700 or 800 New York session. Cause I'm only trying to trade one contract max. Yeah. So it's very difficult to get a big move that's gonna give me like $1,000 on the day using one contract type. Stop scrolling and make an account.
No, it's autoplay.
Alright, this is good. This is good. Buyers are losing control. I need sellers to just step in. Where was this gap? This was made at market close. Yeah, okay, buddy. Yeah, sure. Sure. I'm thinking like this, guys. Are we really gonna go fill in these gaps before we go down and fill the other gaps? We're already setting higher lows, lower highs, and lower lows. So this is fine. Yo, we're live on stream right now.
Oh, what's up? What's up?
Yo, stream, say what's up.
What's up, chat? Ain't nobody in chat.
Ain't nobody. Ain't nobody.
Bro. freaking, I just knocked out, saw her on the bus, missed my stop, and I gotta walk 30 minutes in this heat back home.
Oh, dang, that sucks. Yeah, it's mad hot today.
Yes.
Mad hot.
I know, it's feel like I'm watching your stream. It's finally working now?
Yeah, I'm streaming at home. I got good Wi-Fi.
I'm streaming Asia sessions, right?
Yeah. I called it slow. What?
Especially don't make it trades.
Well, yeah, for yesterday. Now it's a new day.
Because market follows Asia's.
Yeah. Yeah. Goal is to make like 300-400 Asia session, and then 700-800 New York session.
So that includes that last trade you made. We shorted the all-time high. It worked out?
Nope. Actually, yeah, it did. I accidentally took 5 contracts, and I got saved because I made like 900 on the last trade, and I was done.
Well, so it hit the previous level, and then the reverse one.
Nah, so it just kept going higher after that. I was able to get out really quickly.
So you realized it was going to keep on going up and you got out.
Yeah. I mean, I got out with my profit. I hit my goal. My P&L on yesterday was 10:31.
Damn, in one day?
Yeah.
So you didn't pass the combine yet?
Well, no, because I failed my account. Oh, I failed the account yesterday.
You failed before you can pass the combine.
Yeah, no, I had a new account today.
Wow, so you spent $50 again too.
Yeah, it'd be like that. I don't even care about these $50 anymore. I just want to get a payout. That first payout is gonna give me back all the money Top Step got out of me.
So why don't you tell your chat how Top Step works, the investments?
I have nobody here. Nobody. I'm just talking to myself. I mean, Zara's in my room
I'm not
now.
even here, bro.
Zara's here. This is our office now.
I'm not even here.
This is the office.
Did you get him into Top Step?
He's making his account very shortly.
Correct.
Yeah, he's
So
supposed to.
what's he working on?
He's making some content. We made some content today. And, yeah.
Content.
YouTube Shorts.
What's this channel? I'll subscribe right now.
I'll send it to you.
Subscribe right now, bro. Beat bites.
Jacob. Yeah, bro, I got some jazz playing in the background of the stream.
Beast Bites. Is Clip Armor Mr. Beast?
Huh?
Beast Bites.
Yeah, no,
How's it called?
he's making cartoonified Mr. Beast clips.
Oh, okay. But I thought you were just sort of
Nah.
stealing the content and going to
Markets are slow, eh? Markets are super slow.
Okay, so Zohar, you animate all that stuff by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, who's that?
Yeah, that's really good. How long does each video take you?
How long did what take me?
How long did that video take you?
Long time. Couple days, honestly.
Wow.
Days.
That's a lot of effort for shorts though, no?
Well, yeah, once we get better at it, once we start to learn how to speed up the process, we'll get more efficient at it and be able to pump out more. This is actually a very niche specific type of video, that's why it's going to be more effort in those. We have other channels that we're thinking about. We're going to see.
So you're gonna work on this together, this channel?
Well, we're going to be working on all multiple channels together. We're going to have 5 channels.
5 channels are made already, or?
3 channels are made, 2 more need to be made, and then the Rookies Bull Run, that's all me.
So what are the other 2 channels gonna be so far that you made?
So one is going to be a Hail Mary channel, which is from all 5 channels that we make YouTube videos for. All videos will go onto that one channel. Like a Hail Mary. All the content we make on one channel.
Yeah, okay, got you. And the other one?
The other one, Zora has to decide. He's picking. Yeah.
No, but you have like options, right?
No, I'm saying like he's
We have a
gonna.
couple options.
Yeah, we have options.
So like, what are the options?
So one is movies and TV show clips.
I see mad videos of that.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh,
Commentary type videos with like some kind of background, whether it's like a food video, food background video with some kind of commentary.
were you guys do the commentary?
Yeah, I made one just today. I didn't post it yet, but I made one today. Stuff like that. Essentially.
Well, the movie one is kind of easy. You just click.
Yeah, we just gotta, exactly, yeah. A lot of these are just gonna be easy. We're just gonna have to find the clips, edit, make sure we don't get copyrighted and stuff like that, and that's it.
There's a way you can like automate it too, like AI does it for you.
Yeah.
Bro,
I'm
I'm
saying,
telling you, I've seen so much AI videos.
Yeah,
I don't know, you also see
of
them,
course.
but like Bigfoot and like those biblical AI videos.
yeah.
You should make a channel out of that. They're actually mad funny.
Yeah, we're going to.
Yeah, but it costs so much, bro.
And you get
sure.
VO3 since you're in grad school.
I can get it for free?
Yeah, because I'm still enrolled in university, I get VO3 for free.
Where do you get
He gets
it?
VO3 for free?
Wait, where? From where?
Just go on Google VO3, sign in with your university credentials. You have your grad school, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, you
shoot.
get it.
Nice.
Yeah, and all university students get VO3 for free.
Alright, we got VO3.
You know what VO3 is, right?
Yeah, of course. Alright, dope. Very dope.
You know, I feel like I'm walking and it smells like shashlik, but I'm the shashlik right now.
I can go for some shashlik right now.
This tongue is just so
Yo,
strong.
chat, you know what shashlik is? Nobody's
We
watching!
know about that
This is
shit.
how Thingz started.
Yeah, facts.
And Thingz also started with me as your only viewer. But then you got up to 10 total viewers. Okay?
Oh, man. Hey, the name Jeff! So we're making 400k today. The name Jeff. Ah! What's goody?
Real though, it's day one.
Day
You
one.
know?
Day one. The name Jeff, I'm waiting to get my order filled. If we're going up, I have a sell order. If we're going down, I have a sell order. Because I am super bearish right now. I don't believe market will keep pushing up. So we'll see if I'm wrong or not.
You got a question from chat.
Bro saying no
chat.
one watching, what do you take me for? Hey, I just saw your comments, the name Jeff. I didn't know you were here. Huh?
I got a question so you can answer to your chat.
Yeah.
Do you apply the same principles in the US sessions and the EU sessions?
No, not at all.
Oh, maybe you can explain that to Jeff.
I apply the same candlestick patterns and all that jazz, but because Asia sessions are so freaking slow, there's no volatility. You have to really change your strategy, you know? Like if you're up $150 or so, if you're up X amount of points, take your profit, because more likely than not, you're just going to be chopping around in Asia sessions unless there's some massive news that's going to drive markets. Otherwise, you're just going up and down. Like look, for the past 20 minutes, 25 minutes, we've been in the same 10-point range going up and down. There's not much happening. Why do you think market can't keep going up? Danny, the name Jeff. I'm sorry, the name Jeff.
Oh, that's Danny?
Yeah,
Oh, I thought it was a random dude.
I wish. Anyway, the name Jeff. This is what has went down since yesterday. Do you see how much we've constantly been pushing up? All these gaps right over here are called fair value gaps. It shows an imbalance in the market. Too much buying pressure and not enough selling. What typically happens when you see these gaps is price will come down to fill in those gaps and then continue its way. So price will eventually, at some point in the future, whether it's today or tomorrow or next month, is going to come back down here, fill it in, and then continue to go up. Typically, again, no guarantees here. That is why I am looking for shorts. Yeah, bro. S&P, Tesla, not even Tesla. Tesla got clapped today. S&P is hit like 607 today. It'll probably, like the second it hits 613, which is an all-time high, I'm gonna expect a big pullback to like 600s or like 595s even.
Oh,
Or
so
maybe
you're
I'm totally
buying
wrong.
option?
No, I all the money I made with options, I lost, so I'm not buying options for a little while. Cause I'm really salty. I lost all the money I made.
Yo, didn't you make like 1,000% on one option?
1,400%, yeah.
Yeah, what happened? You lost the money you made on that one?
I made a total of $1,000 with options, and I lost it all in the past month and a half.
With other options?
Yeah.
What happened?
I got clapped, bro. I was just, all my calls were wrong, or they happened like.
Was it greed, or you were getting them wrong?
50-50. I don't remember. It took a lot. Some of them broke even. Some of them lost. Because I was up, I had more of a riskier mentality. They're like, okay, I can play more because I'm up, so I took riskier plays. That's what it is. I took riskier plays.
So it was greed.
Yeah. So is Jacob getting a shashlik or what, bro? Jacob, the name Jeff wants shashlik.
No, tell him I'm the shashlik right now.
He's the shashlik. My mic is picking you up, I think. He hears you nice. Yeah. I'm so glad the name of Jeff is here.
I don't know how good I'll taste, but I'm getting well done over here.
Oh. Yiggy! Let's.
I haven't done that in long, and I just knocking on the bus like that.
Work was that exhausting today, huh?
But, no, I was just tired.
It's because of heat.
The heat, 100%.
Heat makes you mad tired.
But Trevor had to wake me up.
Oh, really? It was wait, you got off on the last stop?
Yeah.
Oh, snap. So why didn't you just take like a bus back?
He's like, yo, bro, let's stop. Because it's a 30-minute walk back home or a 30-minute bus ride. I thought I wait for the bus.
Get some cardio. So if Jacob is a shashlik, where is the skewer coming from?
Oh, I can't divulge that information. It's not PG-13. Especially on your stream. Maybe I'll tell you off stream.
Oh, snappers. Yo, market is just so boring. Asia session. It's so slow. I hate it. It only really picks up at like 7 o'clock. It starts picking up nicely.
You should do a market recap.
Market recap? What do you mean?
Like how the market did today.
Oh, I did that in like the first 5 minutes of the stream. I went over my thoughts.
No, like market opened, your thoughts, market closed, your thoughts.
What?
When market closed, what's your thoughts for the day? Like how you did today?
Oh.
How your equities are doing? Have you changed your mind on anything? Like
I should make more. I gotta make more YouTube videos on the Rookies Bull Run. More stock related videos, like how I got wrecked buying Tesla. Yo, yesterday I was so close to breaking even. I was almost gonna. I have a limit order ready to sell my shares. I was like 2% down on Tesla, and then today got clapped again.
But you were only gonna sell off like 50% of your shares, you know?
Yeah. I have I think 8 shares or 7 shares to sell. Something like that. I don't remember. It's in the limit order.
Yeah, because you got a freaking horrible. You got at the peak of the bull run.
Yup.
Majority of your shares.
Yup. I'm saying the money will go back into Tesla. I just want to buy it back at lower levels.
Imagine all that multi.
I mean, he's good now. I mean, he bought it at 290. I hope he didn't get margin called before it went up though.
100% he got margin called. You kidding me?
Depends depends. Remember he said he would just add money to his account to make sure he didn't get margin.
Yo.
Tesla went. Yeah, Tesla went to 215.
You know how much money you would have to add to not get margin called?
Yeah, Tesla went down to 215 actually. He got clapped.
Bro, didn't he say he put in like 10K?
He did He did 60K with margin at 290, I think, or something.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Be like that. Remember Punta Cana? I was like, yo, let me turn on margin and buy everything right now. Imagine I did that, bro. I would have got destroyed.
Yeah, you're still on the bull run high.
Yeah. That's when we hit peak bull run. That time.
But yeah, that's when you should have sold everything.
That's when January 17.
I warned you of this.
January 17. The day to sell everything. Whatever. It was a fun ride. Now that I'm near breaking even, you know.
Now you're just waiting for the next ride.
Yeah.
But you'll know it when you see it.
Yeah.
We're not there yet. We'll know when we see it.
Not yet. When is Trump's 90-day tariff pause over? I think it's coming up very soon.
July 1st.
Oh, really? Next week? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm looking for put options.
Either the beginning of July or the end of July. I don't remember.
Unless there's some official trade deals all revealed by next week, I'm buying puts.
Oh, ain't no trade deals happening. What trade deals you talking about?
What do you mean?
Trade deals.
No, I'm saying unless.
Trade deals have happened. Come on, 90-day period.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If I
happening.
don't see any deals by next week, I'm buying puts for July 1st.
You won't see any deals.
Alright, if that's the case, then I'm buying puts. Like, I don't care. I'm shorting it. People are going to get scared if tariffs are going to be spoken about again. They've been quiet.
Oh, Seth is calling me. I'm home anyway, so I'll talk to you later. Right?
I'll see you. Alright, the name Jeff is just me and you now. It's so freaking slow, dude. I just want to take a few trades in and out real quicks. Alright. Will we go lower now? I'd be so surprised. Imagine we just stay within these two lines. I heard my name. What up? Oh, I just said it's me and you, the name Jeff. Mano y mano. Shashlik boy has left. You just got my stream in the background while you work. If that's the case, thanks the name Jeff. You the man. I have no one to talk to. Except this dude. Did you make your trading account? No.
Yeah.
Lies.
What?
Can I just... La la la. La la la. Yo, Danny, how's the stream quality? How's the audio? How is the mic? How's the music? Is it all leveled nicely? Are you lagging at all? Rate it 1 through 10. Let's get some more light up in here. I feel like I'm all. There we go. That's a little better, isn't it, chat? Shoisty. You might be dipping now. The name Jeff. Do what you gotta do. This is so boring. Even the guy trading is bored because it's so slow. And he left. I'm gonna go crazy here if we don't get an order. No lag, audio is decent, slight reverb, watch out not to bang the table / mic, video quality is up and down. What do you mean video quality is up and down? Video quality is up and down? Like, what? What do you mean? This is more of the test stream for tomorrow's New York trading session. Low key, if this candle turns green, then I might look for a buy instead. But that would be really shocking. I really hope this candle stays red. Like it blurs for a second but comes back to being okay. Okay. It might be because I'm using a higher resolution monitor. So like, because I'm using the 1440p screen, it's just a little smaller and blurrier on your phone or your computer. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Basically with a 1080p screen, it's a lot bigger, so it's easier to see. But yeah, okay, I got you. Oh, we got 4 people watching. Yo. Super cool. I don't know who the 4th guy. Oh, we just lost him. That's unfortunate. I guess I got too excited and made him scared.
You see, got 4 people watching. He's like, nah, I'm doing good.
Yep.
What up, chat? It's good. Yo, we about to turn up.
My business partner, guys. Make your trading account. Stop delaying it. This dude.
I'm not delaying it. I'm doing the other stuff.
He's making content, guys. We're making 5 YouTube channels. And we gonna be pumping the content. Pumping. Wow, this is so boring. Alright, this candle closed red. I like that. I like that a lot. Let me check the Twitter for any news. Checking the Twitter. Or I should say X. Nothing really. Nothing really. Okay, bro. Good luck with day work. I'm out. Peace. That name Jeff. Thanks for stopping by. Yo, we got 5 people watching. Pretty dope. I'll see you, the name Jeff. We talk later. Some Shari Bitachon. Alright guys, we're just waiting here to get an order in. Like, it's so slow. Like, honestly, I don't think there's any point to streaming Asia session trading because, like, there's so little volatility. I'm just sitting here looking at charts, and unless there's other people out there that want to do that too, then it's pretty freaking boring because you're not seeing me take trades. Like, this morning we took like 15 trades, and I know most people don't do that, but you know, there was action. I was still up. I ended up $1,000 plus on the day, so that's a winning trading day in my opinion. Wow, we went down to one person. That's mighty swell unfortunate. So I don't even know what to say anymore, bro. I got nobody watching. I'm out of words. Chad, I'm tired. Okay, don't blame me. I'm looking for a sell over here. Judging on the low volatility we got, fair value gap, and that the market opened red, I do think that there is no reason for us to go higher unless it's to fill this fair value gap right here. But I don't see that happening. So I think we're just gonna push lower. Just waiting for us to get out of this stupid chopping. Probably gonna stop stream around 8 o'clock, guys, and then I may stream again tonight. I don't know. I got stuff to do. I gotta go somewhere tonight. I was on my computer. I was like, let me just run it up. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see if I stream. I'll definitely be streaming tomorrow morning. New York trading session. That is 100% gonna be happening. No doubt about it. Probably take a short here, but be patient. See, we're pretty range bound here and here. So if I theoretically just did this, let's see, maybe this is a strap. It's so predictable. Look, chop, 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 chop. We're just chopping. If we continue to chop, I'm going to take advantage of the chop. With 5 contracts. When you have 5 contracts, I don't need a lot of points to make my money. So, that being said, if I can predict, oh, we're just going to hit this point and then go back down to this point again, sure, I'm going to take that trade. Even with 5 contracts, I'm still risking 250, but it's not a big deal. Watch it just like blow through it, bro. That'd be crazy. It'd be the type of thing that happens to me, you know? Cause it do be like that sometimes. What's your it be like that moment, chat? Do you have any of those? If you aren't already subscribed, subscribe to the best stonks channel out there. We out here trying to make some money and show all the average people out there, can you just trade futures and make money? That's honestly what I'm doing, guys. I'm just trying to see if I can make money trading futures. And I started like 4 or 5, no, I started like 4.5 months ago. I have yet to make a single dollar. Top Step has taken about $1,300 from your boy. But I haven't quit, and I've gained a lot of experience, and I've learned a lot. And I'm okay with that, because I learned from the mistakes I made. So going forward, I want to be able to make profits, and then show everyone out there that yes, you could make money trading futures. No, you don't need a lot of capital to start, if you're good at this. Like, you see, it's so predictable, but I didn't get filled. It's just unfortunate. That's my point, guys. That is my point. I didn't get filled because I was one tick too high. But my point is, there's so little volatility. We're just chopping in the same price range right over here. So if I take a 5 contract position, I'll make a quick 250 on this little move, even though there's no volatility. So you have to understand that the more you trade, you'll develop your own fine-tuned strategy. Okay, this strategy works on Asia session. This strategy works on New York and London session. Like, different things will work at different times. So right now, what am I going to do? I'm going to take a buy. Why not? See if we get filled. Thing is, that's a lot of selling pressure. I don't know if we'll see. We shall see. Yo, we got anybody in chat, or am I talking to myself? Not that I'm complaining. I'm used to talking to myself when I stream, but it be like that. And nobody starts off with thousands and thousands of viewers, There's always that slow grind in the beginning until you build up, until you build your name, until you show everybody who you are. So if anybody in the chat, say what's good. Just waiting to take anything. It's so slow. That's the thing, guys. A market will never reward someone who doesn't have patience. You gotta be patient. Like, if I just clicked buy, this is why I set limit orders only, because I don't like using buy and sell unless like it's like I need to get in quick, and like I think the move is happening already. Like, then maybe I'll do it. But I like price to come down to me. I don't like clicking and just getting filled in market order. I like limit orders. It gives me more control of where I want to get in my trade. Obviously, I just like it overall. Yes, that is how you should do it. I don't know why most people don't use limit orders. I feel like a lot of people use market orders instead of limit orders, but when you have price coming down to you or coming up to you, it gives you like way better of a setup, especially when you want to predict the move. Like, you wouldn't just take a market order if you think it's going down unless you have a target, in which case look for an entry point and set your limit order to enter there, right? I always think that's a better option than the usual, market orders. I don't know, this is my opinion, this is how I trade. Maybe don't listen to me, I'm not a millionaire trader yet. Maybe people will only listen to me once I become a millionaire from day trading. Who knows how I'm even gonna get there? You won't know until you try, is my point. Don't say I can't do it, don't say it's not for me. You gotta at least try it if you're at all interested. If you have zero interest, then yeah, don't try it. But you gotta give it a go. You gotta see if it's a feasible option. And that's what I did. That's what I'm still doing. And I'm being honest. I am negative $1,300 since I've started trading futures. But that's fine. That is fine with me. Little by little. Each day you get better and better. This is how it is. It's the rule of life. You do something 1% better every single day, you'll eventually get better. So on the 5 minutes, we're just going lower. On the 15, we're just getting lower and lower. On the 5, this is the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, though, let's see what's up. Look at this chop, bro. Probably gonna go lower. Probably gonna go right there. If I had to predict. how's everyone's day going? How's everyone's stocks doing? Market was pretty nice today. Market was really nice today. Can't complain. Tesla got clapped, but SoFi did pretty nice. I'm actually almost in profit on SoFi. Palantir is just relentlessly going up. You guys ever heard of Circle? Stock is insane. It is doing crazy works. I was up like 850% because I bought it at IPO. I mean, it had a massive pullback, like a $50 pullback since yesterday. But that's normal. Like a stock can't do 900%, 800% and not have a pullback. It's just not how it works. You know, it's too unrealistic. It's too good to be true. I really want to get into the trade. I'm so impatient with this, but I know that if you're hesitant on a trade, or if you're not patient when it comes to trading, don't take it. We are forming like kind of a triple bottom here, like this dude right here. 1, 2, 3. So if we come down here, we might go up again. That's what I'm envisioning right now. Okay, that's what I see happening. So I'm gonna take a buy order here if we hit it again. Luis Felipe, what's up? How you doing? Thank you for pulling up. Thank you for saying something into the chat. Now I'm not talking to nobody. How you doing, Luis? Thank you for pulling up to the stream. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing right here. I want to take that trade, so we'll see. If I get this buy-in, I'm going to take it. And I can remove this for now. If we don't, if we just pop up here, then I'm going to take this short. Because we're filling in this fair value gap here. Or are we? I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy, guys. Maybe when you have so many like different things in your mind, like different confluences, they affect you too much. But again, as long as you have a good risk to reward ratio, even if you're losing a lot of trades, you're still going to be profitable. You can be profitable, but be wrong 60% of the time. For example, if I risk $100 to make $500 on every trade, I could be wrong 4 out of 5 times and still be I could be wrong 80% of the time and still be profitable. Because think about it. You're wrong 80% of the time. Let's say you take 10 trades with a 1 to 5 risk to reward. So you're wrong 8 trades, you're down $800. But you made 2 winning trades, which makes you make $1,000. So you're only up $200, but you were wrong 80% of the time. Isn't that flabbergasting? Flabbergasting? That ain't a word. But that's my point. Oh, we got 11 people watching? Yo, what up, chat?
Yo, we out here.
I don't know who's in chat. All I know is my boy Lewis is here. But anybody else, feel free to say it was good. But yeah, as long as you have a good risk to reward setup, you could be wrong 80%, you could be wrong 60%, 70%. As long as you have a good setup, you can still be a profitable trader. And I think a lot of people don't understand that. Yeah. That's all in my humble opinion, of course. This is not financial advice. Not at all financial advice. Alright, we're having a little bit of a pop-up right now. It's nothing, actually. On the 5-minute, I think we're just gonna get another doji candle like this in the same range, bro. Nothing is moving. Oh, shoot! I couldn't keep away. The knowledge you share is a gold mine. Thanks, the name
Order
Jeff.
filled.
Alright, we're finally in a trade. Watch how the one trade I took is gonna just suck. I'm setting my loss only to 137. I don't think I gotta risk more than that. Let's get rid of these. I do think we're gonna head lower now. Where? I'll take 500. I'm gonna let this say. Yo, Vampire Doggo. What's up, bro? How you doing? We got more people in the chat. This is so exciting. Oh man, yeah, streaming is fun. What are your results so far? Going well. So I'll be totally honest. I said like I'm ultimately down. I started trading futures using Top Step, which is a prop firm. Top Step has received $1,300 out of my bank account, and I have received $0 from them. I passed their combine twice, and then lost it. I am currently now again trading to pass the combine to get funded officially. Random recommendation. Hey, yo, thank you for pulling up though. See, it's people like you that give people like me a chance to get seen out there, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. I try to be entertaining, you know. I try to put on a show. Even though market is so boring right now, I'm trying to make something out of it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll show you. Yesterday's trading day, or this morning's trading day, we're up $1,000. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on pushing through. I want to see some payout. Like once I get my first payout, it's gonna be nice. Sorry if the audio's clipping, guys. I am gonna buy a good microphone. You know, once I reach, you know what? When I reach 500 subs, I'm gonna buy a new microphone. All right? I'm gonna add like a little sub goal on my stream and say at 500 subs we're gonna buy a new mic. Cause my mic is trash, honestly. Future's always boring at this time. Yeah, 100%. Futures are super boring, but because I work I work the 9 to 5, so I couldn't really trade New York session. Had to see me, I'm on summer break now, so I'm not working. I get to be free and trade New York session, but I traded Asia session for about four months, and the first 4 months I started trading, it was only Asia session, and I kind of got a little better at reading it and how to trade with it. But yeah, it's definitely boring. It's not fun. Like at this point, like I should take some profit, but I think we're gonna go lower. I will go to break even. I'll go to 1250 profit. That's what I'll do. I don't like going to break even because then I lose out money on the fees. I'll go to like 1250, you know, just one tick in profit. Because if we reverse on this candle, I'm out of the trade anyway. I'm so happy YouTube is recommending this stream to random people, guys. Please, welcome to the channel. What's up? What stocks am I looking at these days with the US-Iran craziness? I expect the market to be more wild. I'm looking at the same old stocks I've been looking at, chat. Let me pull up my Robinhood right now. Tell you what's up. Alright, so cryptos we're not going to talk about. Stocks, I mean, I've been looking to sell my AMD actually. I actually have a limit order to sell 50% of my AMD shares at 141. Why? Because it's going to be a nice little profit I had because I got AMD at like 121 and I want to get out of it, de-risk my portfolio a bit. I want to put more money into Google because it's super undervalued. Unless Google is just getting destroyed because this whole search engine thing. I'm 15 cents away from selling 25 shares of SoFi, again, to de-risk, because I want to get some money back in my portfolio. I want to have some cash in reserve. Why? Because when these Trump tariffs unpause the pause on July 1st or whatever day it is, I want to be able to buy stuff at cheaper prices if we go lower. And if not, I don't care. I want to de-risk a little bit. Nice, we're pushing down lower. I'm going to take another contract if we pass by red over here. I'll take another contract if we go lower. Gladly take another contract. Dang, it's 7:05 already, yo. There we go. Look at that nice little red candle. I won't greet it. I'm going to go right over there. I want to see a little more progress, because if we do just chop around, Google is a good move for a ton of reasons. It is. There's no, like, I don't know why people are just selling off, like, ooh, there's a cybersecurity leak. Like, that happens to so many companies so frequently. I don't know why everyone's making such a big deal out of it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably going to keep buying Google. This low-key might be a good time to start DCAing again into it. I got, like, 2K into it when I was DCing into it initially, so maybe now is a good time. And then you got freaking Tesla, man. Tesla is just getting sauced up. You see how Tesla did a self-driving launch the other day for an event? Yeah, that's why Tesla went boom boom yesterday. Like, it was flying. I think yesterday it did like $35 on the day or something. It was crazy. And yeah, I got dumped on today. It'd be like that though. People are taking their profits. If I win this trade, I'm gonna be done for the day, guys. I'll be honest. I'm not trying to trade a lot right now. I just want to make like $400 or $500. So at New York session, I only have to make $600-700. Because my goal is to make $1,000 a day for 3 days to pass the combine. Simple. Simple rules. Simple strats. No need to overcomplicate things. That's about it. I am waiting to see some more volatility pop in because it's 7:07. Typically, there's more volatility stepping in at 7:30 mark. But we'll see. I might be done by then. Who knows? We shall see.
But I don't like that.
Elijah Matthew, 6'7". Sorry I had to. Oh, the 6'7" meme. So funny. You know, my students used to say that.
Yeah, Chad, he's like 40, yeah, students.
I am 48, guys. Believe it or not. I am 48. The name Jeff, you know the 6'7" meme? Because I didn't even know about it. I had to Google it. I had to TikTok it, actually. Yo, so Elijah, you want to learn about trading futures? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, this is great. We're having a party now. You're 48? Yeah, you should know that. Come on, isn't it obvious? Yo, I love going on my YouTube app and seeing my thumbnail as the first thing I see when I go on it. It's so magnificent. Hey, yeah, man. We're in this trade, honestly. I kind of like this setup. I like what I'm seeing over here. Let me look at the 1 minute to see. That's pretty nice, actually. Not gonna lie. We might come back up here. Fill in this tiny little gap before we head lower again. We'll see. I'll take another contract right over here, though. Yeah, right over there. Keep it where it is. So boring though. Look at this chop. Look, this is how it works, guys. Hey, we're going up. Let me buy here. We go down. Hey, we're going down. Let me short here. Oh, we're going back up. Hey, we're going up. Let me buy here. Go back down. This is how people get destroyed. They go buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Versus sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. No, you would buy there. Sorry. You get my point. You get the point. Ow. When you have choppiness like this with no volatility, and you have such high predictability of the moves, you kind of just gotta take the chance. If you're wrong 4 out of 5 times, that's okay. As long as you get that 1 out of 5 times, you can be profitable. Case closed. But it looks like we are heading lower, which I would love to see. I'll take another contract right over there. Yeah, you see, we attempted to go up higher, but we failed miserably. So I'm going to think that that was your good old liquidation that we had, and price actually wants to go lower. Because it did open red. I can't imagine price push up further. See, this red candle right here was from people selling off at the end of the day yesterday. Which would imply to me that we're going to be selling off massively right now. So once 7:30, once Tokyo session kicks in at 7:30. Once that happens, we should see more movement downward, in my opinion. So we wait. We just keep waiting. How's everyone else's portfolios doing? What is your most controversial stock that you own? Is it Tesla? Is it Palantir? Is it Thingz? Ooh, if you own Thingz, you got clapped yesterday. What did it go down from? It went down from like $68 or $70 back down to like. What did it go down? It went down to like $40. Had like a 30% drop. Bro, chugging a gallon of water while talking about liquidation. Big facts. Yo, I got my electrolytes in here, and we're chugging. Followed by a red candle. Whoa. Whoa, did my stream just freeze, guys? What just happened? Something just happened. My viewers went to 30 viewers, and then it just froze. What just happened? Alright. I don't know what just happened, guys. I'm gonna just keep on explaining what liquidity is and how you get destroyed. So, basically, when you see a green candle followed by a red candle immediately, you know that there's a lot of liquidity there, which means that there's a lot of people that are willing to buy or sell. Stream's good, bro? Alright, there's a little stutter. Okay, I hope it's good now. There's just a little internet lag. But basically, at this location right over here, there are tons of people that went long, that it's going to go up higher. And there are tons of people like me that went short, that it's going to go down. What that gives the market or the institutions is liquidity. Now they might want to come up here to stop out people like me, right? Because I moved my stop loss there now. But people who have their stop loss set right over here, for example. I'm going to remove these. Some people have their stop loss right there. Like people that went short, they might have put their stop loss there. Because like, oh, if price reverses on the candle I entered in, I think that the price is going to go in the opposite direction. So what that gives to the institutions is liquidity. It gives resting orders. So they'll make price go up there, stop you out, and then continue in the direction you wanted. That's why so many people get destroyed. And this happened to me for months. And it still happens till this day sometimes. Where price is going in my direction, and then a giant wick comes, stops you out, and then it goes into the direction you want it to go. It's classic. It's a classic liquidity sweep move, they call it. Yeah, this shade is looking pretty nice, actually. I'm kind of happy with this. We got this hammer-looking thingy, hammer-looking candlestick, which could indicate a bull run. Could indicate a nice little bullish cycle. So I'm not taking a second contract until I get a little confirmation. This 15-minute candle closes in 30 seconds. I want to see how the next candle opens up. Let's see how the 5 minutes looking. Alright, 5-minute candle's nice. We like that a lot. See, right here, just giant wick is what you call a liquidity grab. Where there were so many orders, okay, let me explain this nicely. When you see a giant wick on a green candle going down, it means that price went all the way up and we had a massive sell-off. Why? Because people had their stop loss right here at this fair value gap. So the second that fair value gap got hit, we dropped. You can see that all over the place. Liquidity grab right here. Tons of liquidity grabs at all-time highs. Why? Because there's a lot of orders. There's a lot of volume. There's a lot of buying and selling in those locations. That gives markets the chance to liquidate them over and over. It's like this. People buy, people sell. Okay, let's knock out the people that bought. Go up, stop them out. Now let's knock out people that sold. Go down, stop out. Rinse and repeat. This is what institutions do to retail traders. Okay? This is what I'm trying to learn to be better at. I think that's how you become a full-time day trader. Let me know if I'm just ranting or if any of that made sense to you guys. I think everything I just said made a lot of sense. But maybe I'm just biased. So, yeah, I don't know if anyone understood that. By the way, do you guys hear the jazz music or is it just like super quiet? You're out? Alright.
Friday, this watermelon lawsuit is not fun.
Alright.
Watermelon is
Just take your Chromebook, I guess. Take your laptop home. Is loud enough? Alright, good. Should it be lower? I'm not walking you because I'm gonna stay here. Working tomorrow 9 o'clock?
Yeah.
Alright. What's your PL today so far?
Should do about this setup.
What?
Should do about the setup.
Just leave it for now. Just leave it. I don't care, honestly.
Sure.
No big deal, yeah. Since Asia session opened, 6 o'clock, I'm down 195. On this account though, I'm up 1,000. I just started a new funded this morning. So, up 1,000 on the account right now.
Order filled.
Oh, woo! Okay. Alright. We got our order filled. Now, are we gonna go lower? I'm kind of nervous. I don't need to make 800. I only need to make 587. So, I'm moving my take profit. Why? Because I want to make the rest New York session. I'm splitting up my take profits and everything. Alright? I want to make 500, 4 or 500 Asia session, and then 600 New York session. That's the goal. See, why am I doing this? Because if this candle reverses, then we're cooked. In any case, I'm splitting up because when you pass your funded account on Top Step, you can only take 2 contracts max. And making like $1,000 trade with 1 contract is quite difficult for me right now. Quite difficult in general. So if I split it up, if I'm splitting up my trading sessions, making 500 in each session, that makes it a lot easier. And of course, once I build up and I can start taking more than 1 or 2 contracts, I'll be able to do it all in New York session, because obviously you got the most volatility in New York session, so who wouldn't want that? But yeah, that's just my strategy right now. I don't know if anyone else does that, but it makes sense to me. Like, splitting it up. If you know how to trade Asia session, you could be profitable. Like right now, I should probably just close out of this trade, but there's no reason to, because like, even if I lose, okay, I'm down 150 on the day. It's not a big deal, alright? But if my take profit hits, I'm up 500 on the day. Actually, I'm down 200. I didn't take that into account, so
Yep.
that's good enough. Yes, I'm very confident this trade is gonna hit. Yeah, bro, just leave it. You're gonna use it tomorrow.
You gonna leave like this until tomorrow?
Yeah, what else? I'm saying,
fine.
whatever. On Thursdays we'll clean it up because we're not working on Friday probably.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
See, liquidity grab. Are we gonna go lower though? I think so. Hello, I'll see you, bro. He's gonna be a trader very soon, Chad. Don't worry, I'm gonna get him soon. I'll see you. Alright. This is great. I love this setup. Let's look at the 1 minute real quick, see what's going on. Alright. Liquidity grab, boom. See that? You see how it's not a coincidence that price came down and wicked at exactly the same spot it wicked over here. So what is that telling me? It's telling me that, okay, price could now bounce up like higher again. I should probably start securing some profit, so I will. I'm going to secure only $62. Why? Because there's this fair value gap right here, and we might come right over here. What? I just called it! Are we going to go up higher, though? I don't think we are. I think we just came here to fill in the gap, and we're going to go lower. Because now we have a gap over here. Alright? Just to be safe, I'm going to move it there. 37 bucks. I don't really care. That's fine. I would have got stopped out. Filled the gap. Gap is officially okay. Maybe I was wrong, guys. Maybe I was wrong.
Order filled.
Alright. That's fine. That's fine. I want to enter short again. See, bro? They got people like me again. Oh, man. Look at this chop, bro. Look at this. On the 15 minutes, it's disgusting, bro. Absolutely disgusting. Alright, we're gonna wait for another setup. I didn't really, yeah, I didn't like that we had a liquidity grab again over here. It's like just more chop, man. See, like, I can take 5 contracts and make 500 bucks in like 10 minutes if I wanted to. But it's not how a consistent trader works, alright? You cannot just gamble like that. Oh, with 5 contracts here, but like you could. It's a lot easier. I've passed my account doing that. It's just it's not worth it in the long run. Yeah, it's easier to like pass your account, but you don't really get the experience you kind of need. If we Honestly, I wish I didn't get stopped out because I'm still pretty confident in the short position. So that being said, I kind of want to just take a 2 contract sell right now, right here. I don't know, if we just chop around though, it's kind of whack. Any of you in the chat trade Asia session, or do you guys all trade New York session? Or do you not trade at all? You just watch this for entertainment to see people like me lose money or make money? Just gave you 3 options. Do you trade? Do you not trade? Do you just like to watch people make or lose money trading? We shall see. We shall see. Let's do that just a little bit. That should be good. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, man. I really just want to sell. I can't see price going up. I can't imagine it. I can't. I have such a strong bias right now that price wants to go lower because we're just reaching all-time highs for no reason. Trade mainly futures and commodities. Alright, nice. Trade futures? Yo, Taste Squeeze, what's up? How long have you guys been trading futures? Like, and are you profitable? Because I've been doing this for 4 months. I'm not profitable yet. And I know it's something you get better with experience. So I'm just curious, how long have you guys been trading for? Like, how's it going for you, basically? Is it like you're making a quick buck every week or so? You're making consistent payouts? Do you use prop firms? You're a momentum trade every morning. Made only 200 today. Trading INM. Very low risk and so typed. Okay, cool. I haven't day traded stocks like that. I did when I first started, I tried to, but I realized like you kind of need a lot of capital to trade stocks like that. And it's not capital I was comfortable with risking. And that's why I started trading futures with prop firms. Because, I'm not risking much, About a year and you are profitable. Okay, nice. Good stuff, bro. I'm hoping to be profitable in the next 2 to 3 months. Like, I know it's only like 6-7 months and I should have like a bigger time frame, but I've been doing it for a long time. Trading futures about 9 months and you say you're profitable. Nice. Hey, dude, as long as you're getting your paychecks from whatever prop firm you trade on, or using your own capital and you're just growing your equity, that's profitable. Like, not everyone's gonna be a TJR making hundreds of thousands of dollars a week, You were trading Forex for 2 years before futures? Really? I always wonder, like, when it comes to trading Forex and futures, you're doing about the same thing. It's the same candlesticks, it's the same everything. Like, what's the difference? Like, it's the same thing, like, why are you trading ES versus NQ? It's pretty much the same thing. I only trade ES because I try to do daily SPY options. So trading the ES helps me get more on, like, the SPY chart, candlestick pattern type of mindset. That's why I do ES futures. But I'm sure there are other futures at this time that are a little more volatile. But I'm not sure, honestly. I could be wrong. We're losing a lot of buying pressure here. How do you trade this, guy? You can't trade this. You know what I will do, guys? I'm gonna do it.
Order filled.
I did it. Sorry. 5 contracts. Why? Because when there's so little volatility, you can assume price will continue to do what it's been doing. So that being said, I want price to come up to here for a quick $300. This is more of a scalping method. My take profit is literally just gonna my take profits. This is a perfect 1 to 2 actually right here. No spreads on futures. I can trade straight from TradingView, and Forex is way more manipulated. Oh, okay. Interesting. So you're saying no spreads on futures, like you can't hedge, which I guess is right. Okay. I mean, yeah, you can't buy and sell at the same time, I guess, if that's what you're talking about by hedging or by spreading. Beautiful. Look, give me a quick $300. All right. See, when these type of things do happen, though, I'll move my stop loss super tight. Why? Because I'm trying to go for such a small, narrow trade, like a scalp like this, where it's a few ticks. I don't want to be, I don't want to get stuck. So if I lose 125, I'm fine with that. Even if we get stopped down, like, that's the risk you take when you do this 5 contract method. This is how I passed my funded account the first time, or one of the times I passed it. It was literally just doing this, scalping Asia sessions in these chopping blocks with 5 contracts and making my profits like that. We'll probably get stopped out here, but I'm not even mad about it. I'll risk a little bit more. I'll risk 187. It's not a big deal. I'm stopping out when I hit a $500 loss on the day, because I got to make it back tomorrow's New York session. So, yeah. You guys might think that my strategy is crazy, but everyone has their own strategy. Everyone's got their own way to trade. Granted, there are, like, optimal ways to do things. And maybe this is not one of them. But it's fine. We might come down here to fill this gap, actually. If we do. You see, like, I would have got stopped out if I left my stop loss there and price went immediately back up. So now, I'll set my stop loss, actually, after this 1 minute candle closes. That is such a stupid handle. So we had another lick. Okay, here's what I'm thinking, guys. Remember I told you about that triple bottom? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm actually going to read this long a little bit. I think that's very feasible. So, yeah. It ended up going from like a 1 to a 2 ratio to like a 1 to 6. That's fine. It's A-okay. Once I'm in profit, you get that confidence in your trades. Once you get the confidence in your trades, your trading psychology is way better. I kind of got to leave in 30 minutes, so I hope I can get out of this trade by then. That's the thing, Asia session trading, it takes a long time. Like, you gotta have time, patience. It does pick up a lot more at 8 o'clock. So 7:30, we might see a crazy spike right now. I'm just letting you know. 7:30 and 8 o'clock. 7:30, 8 o'clock, and 9:30, and then again at 11:30. Those 4 times, you see crazy moves, like just random spikes. I'm kind of hoping for a random spike in my direction right now. That'd be pretty dope. We'll see. 30-minute candle just closed. Let's look at that, how that looks. It's also just chopped, probably. Yeah, man, it's just chopping. 15, 1 minute. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! We might lose. That's okay. That is fine by me. If I get stopped out, it'd be like that. I don't get mad when I lose a trade anymore. I used to really get mad, but there's no point, because then it just makes it a lot worse for you. You start chasing trades, revenge trading. When you realize it's just part of the game, trading will become a lot better, a lot, not easier, but
Order
it's
filled.
going to make more sense to you. I will gladly take a 5 contract sell if we go there again, because I think we're going to come fill this gap right here. But let's see.
Order filled.
All right, nice. Don't do it to me. Don't just say forget about it. All right, if I lose this trade, then I'm done for the night. And I'm gonna see you guys New York session tomorrow. That's what's gonna be happening. All right. So we'll see. As much as I would hate to end the stream, I am not losing more than $600 tonight, because that means I gotta make $1,600 tomorrow to fit my $1,000 a day goal to pass my funded account in 3 days. Otherwise, you gotta make $1,500 2 days in a row to pass. I don't like doing that. But to make $1,600 one day, oh, of course. The chop, bro. It's the chop. I want to see price get sent down right now. Doesn't look like it's happening though, unfortunately. Oh man. I need some more caffeine, bro. 7:30 though. No, there's a reason people say don't trade this time. It's so chop, chop, chop. That's all it is. This is crazy. If you look at this, yo, it's just insane. 15:30. Yeah, past hour and a half. This is what we've been doing. I am a little crazy for going short.
Order filled.
Yeah. Alright guys, so according to my rules, I said I would stop. I probably should, but I'm so salty. But you see, I told you, I'll still, like, I'm not getting mad, it's just like, man, I'm kind of disappointed in that. Alright, maybe I should just be a little more patient. More patient. Go for a buy now, see? No. What I will do is I'm gonna take a sell right over here. This will be my last trade. If this trade fails once it hits my order, then I'll actually be done for the day, and then I have a lot of work to do tomorrow. It's the mining diamond meme. It's the mining diamond meme. What does mining diamond mean? Mining diamond meme. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, where you don't want to stop, you just keep going. Yeah, I get you. It basically is. It basically is, yeah. It's just like, it's not that I find trading easy, it's just I find that there's so much opportunity. So if you know what to do, you can take advantage of opportunity. Which is, I guess, what every gambler sounds like. I'm not a gambler. I don't do this in a gambling mentality. Honestly, the 5 contract trading, it looks like gambling, but you see, I just got stopped out, but I was right. See, I prefer to swing trade instead of day trade. Find it less stressful and don't have to constantly keep an eye on trades. I 100% agree with you. But could you swing? You can't swing trade with futures. Your positions are closed like that day type, isn't it? Like, you can't hold a position for more than a day when you're trading futures. If you're talking about stocks, yeah, I totally agree with you. I do try and swing trade here and there with stocks as well. I did it for a little bit. How do you swing trade futures? I don't understand. Like, my positions are automatically closed at market close. Oh, is it because you use your own equity? Like when you have your own account, you could stay in a trade for longer? It could be just be prop firms don't let you stay in trades like that. Is it that up about 40%? Nice. So do you use your own equity? Like you have your own trading view account type and you just have your own bank account linked and everything using your own money? Because if that's the case, then yeah, I guess you're able to hold positions on futures. But with Top Step, you can't do that. Top Step makes you sell your positions like the day. Like you can't even have orders placed outside of different trading days. Are we getting a little pop up here? I think we are. I want to buy again. Yeah, I missed it. Yeah, I use my own equity. Also trade a CFD instead of prop firms or anything. CFD. Why does that sound so familiar? CFD. Computational fluid dynamics. No, it's definitely not that. Contract for differences. Interesting. So contract for differences is like options, more or less. Contract for differences. Yeah. Is it like options or is it different? I don't know. I never heard of contract for difference. Never heard of that in my life, actually. As a matter of fact. Bit different from options. Alright. I'll look into it. I never heard of CFD. Interesting. Oh, really? Not legal in the US. That's probably why I never heard of it. Okay, okay. Nice. I have no idea where price wants to. We might come here. We might sweep that liquidity. Remember I called it? I said they want to push up to these areas, sweep the liquidity. That being said, I'm going to take a buy order right here. If we're wrong, we're wrong. It'd be like that. Dang, on the 5 minute, it's just terrible looking. It's terrible looking in general. From the UK, so you could use it. Oh, cool! You're from the UK. You're getting my stream recommended to you, and you're in the UK. Dope. I would not imagine that's happening. That's pretty awesome. Very nice. Very nice. Alright guys, I got like 20 minutes until I gotta go. So if I gotta end this session being down 700, so be it. It's not ideal, but it'd be like that. Hopefully New York session tomorrow will be profitable for me, and we'll do great. Or I might just trade tonight at like 11 o'clock. Or I'll just be patient. I don't like having to have pressure on me to make X amount of money on a day because it just messes up my thinking. So I might try and make like $500 back, so I don't need to make as much. We'll see. I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I do want to see a little hop up right now, though. I want to get my order filled. I'll move it up a little. Nah, don't move it up. Stick true to your guns. That's not it. You gotta trust your instincts. You gotta trust what you know to be true and right. And don't second guess yourself. Don't be like, oh, maybe I was wrong. I should like. It could be I should have got filled just now. All right, I would have got filled if I just kept my buy right over there. But I'm not taking the risk. I'm not gonna just Hail Mary it every single time. I'll do a few here and there, but yeah. Being down 688 right now is not pretty at all. It sucks actually, but that's fine. Getting a lot of push down. Rejection.
Order filled.
Okay, we got in. I'm not risking 250 though. I'm gonna risk 125. We should not go lower than that point. If we do, we should not go lower than there. This is my final trade for this stream. Unless I win. If I win... Actually, no. I gotta go in 20 minutes, so I don't know. Alright, now we can sit back and watch this play out, finally. So much more entertaining when you're in a trade and you see the green and the red, isn't it, guys? When you're not and you're just sitting here looking at candles, I'm kind of your only entertainment. Especially if you don't know what you're looking at. Man, come on now. Watch me just have been wrong again and get absolutely obliterated. We do have a nice. Oh, there's nothing nice to look at here. Just gotta be patient, I guess now. You know what would be the coolest thing? If price just went all the way up, hit my take profit and hit my sell order, and then just went straight back down. That would be a amazing miracle. I don't like banking on miracles though. Maybe I just predicted what was gonna happen. For all you guys know, that's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna de-risk a little bit. I could just lock in profit, but there's no reason to. Price is so slow right now. It's gonna, like, I think we'll go up further. Maybe I was wrong. Maybe I was right. I don't know. Beautiful. Yes. Don't stop. Nice. 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 Gigantic green candle. And then straight down. Let's go. I would love for that to happen. I'm gonna secure a little profit. Actually no. I'll lose 60. I don't want to get stopped out if it comes back down here. Maybe I should have. I think price will come back up here though, unless it just filled in this gap. You know what? You're right. You're right. If price goes lower than that point, take me out. Because we kind of had a little gap here that it filled perfectly. So I'll go to break even. Nice, nice. Keep going. Now I'll take a little profit just in case. Close the trade here. 187. No. No. I want to see price pop up right now. Just. See? It listened to me. Oh. Oh. I gotta keep doing. Yo, I gotta keep doing that. Oh shoot, the vroom's not working. That's fine. Chop around there. Don't go past that point. See, I would move my stop loss there, my take profit, but then I'll get stopped out. So I'll go to tick below that one. That's my strategy. I know this is only gonna take me down to still being in the red, but you know, a winning trade's a winning trade nonetheless. $7.45. Where's there's usually more volatility, I guess, because there's no news. Nothing's really happening, which makes sense. Makes plenty of sense. It's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Said by Warren Buffett. It's actually a fire quote. Very good quote. Very good. Alright, so we're still popping up. Very nice. Now I will move my take profit here. Because we set a new level. If you guys look very carefully, we set a new level right here. Actually, it's still kind of risky. I would want another level on top of that. You see how it scaffolds because there's so little volatility? You kind of have a little bit of an advantage with this if you know how to work with this low volatility. Yeah, let's see where the next candle closes. Ideally, I want to see the next candle close above this line, above this candle right here. Schweisty. Alright, this candle did absolutely nothing. Cool beans. On to the next. Literally nothing to see. It's just a line because it didn't move. I'm pretty shocked by that. Now I'll take. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna greed it. No, I'm not gonna greed it. I could greed it, but I shan't. See, and then I'll move it to this next tick on the next level when this candle closes above this candle. I'm like staggering the points over here. There we go. Close above it. No. I think we're gonna come for that liquidity grab though. I should probably put this even higher, honestly. Nah, it's alright. I'm not gonna greed it. Now we got. That's fine. I'm gonna go with my 187. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It'd be like that.
Order filled.
Alright, I still walked away with some kind of profit. And now, woo! I'll gladly take a sell if we go down. Actually, that's actually a strong selling. Actually, not really.
Order filled.
Oops, I took another trade, guys. I'll set my stop loss right over there. Why didn't I just let it, like, not stop me out? Because at least I secured a little profit, and I'm probably going to give it back right now. Well, you see, look. I secured a 187 profit. Now I'm risking 125. So I still walk away with $50, even if this trade loses.
Order filled.
Alright, we lost. Alright, guys. We're down 780. No way it goes up now. Not the most successful trading. I want to go long again so badly. Good thing I didn't. We're looking for sells now? Is that what the plan is? I got 10 minutes left, roughly. I want to see what's gonna happen at 8 o'clock because I'm expecting something. So I would love to get in a short right now. Oh, dang it. I shouldn't have moved my take profit at all.
Order filled.
I'm just a bit of a psycho. You might think I'm crazy. I am a little bit crazy. Putting my stop
Order
loss.
filled.
Alright. No! It's pretty funny, actually. That's fine. I'm fine with that. Go hit my sell order, and then that's the actual trade I care about. These other trades, honestly, are more for entertaining purposes. I should have done it on the fake account, on the practice account. Yeah, the name Jeff, I'm getting wrecked, bro. My P&L is minus 900 right now. That one pissed me off. Whatever. It don't matter. It don't even matter. Just hit my sell order. That is the only trade I actually really want right now. I'm hungry, guys. It's so slow. So slow. No, don't sell off yet. Hit my sell order, please. Running out of time. Okay, we are respecting this nice little trend line. That being said, I don't want to do it anymore, guys. No, I'm not doing it anymore. We had fun. We did a little riskiness. Too much riskiness, actually. I lost $900. That's wild. Because it's only been 2 hours. I gotta make it all back. Gee, I sound like a gambler. Nah, but for real, I gotta make this money back. My max stop loss today is 500. That is a very factual point until I said I'm gonna keep going. Look, I'm done trading unless just YOLO the entire lose for the last trade. Maybe I should. Look, I have $1,000 before I blow this account. So I'm gonna get this sell order hit hopefully, and I'm gonna make all my money back on it because this is the only trade I have a true high conviction in. So yeah, I am gonna be YOLOing it, but I gotta go in like 10 minutes, and it's gotta hit the tape. Like it's gotta hit already. I need some volatility. Look at the past 2 hours. This is what I've been trading for the past 2 hours. You don't see it when you trade because you don't know the next candle. When you look at it after the fact, like you ask yourself, how the heck are you supposed to trade this chop session? It's not possible. You can't. Like unless you're, I mean, maybe I just suck. I don't know. I don't think anyone can trade this. It's crazy. Man, I just want to get my sell order filled. I want a nice little pop up right now. The pop up I've been waiting for. 8 o'clock might go crazy, so I'm hoping I'm gonna actually have a sell order just in case for 8 o'clock. Because yeah, price might collapse. I'm not looking for buys. I don't believe in the market right now. I just don't. I can't see the market buying up. It's crazy. The 5-minute candlesticks. Yeah, actually, I shouldn't even look at the 1 minute on Asia session. I should only look at 5-minute candlesticks on the Asia session. Lesson learned. Again. Dun dun dun. All right. See, 756. We're already getting a little more volatility up in here. Would love to see it hit my sell order. I got absolutely destroyed. I also do have a buy order somewhere. Do I not have it? I thought I did. Oh, it's right here. What am I saying? Yeah, I got a buy order right over here. Test out that breakout we had earlier today.
Order filled.
Nice, we're in. Woo! No! Don't stop me out. Don't. I'm risking a little bit too much. But yes, no. I need this green candle to just settle down a little. You're scaring me a little. I can't. No, I cannot afford a 375 loss. I can't even. Dang, bro. I really thought we were gonna drop the second my order got hit.
Order filled.
I gotta go again, guys. Surely we're gonna go down after hitting that one. Wow, I'm astonished. Truly astonished. Just in case. I need to go on the 1 minute for this. Just in case we go lower. If this candle reverses, I want to get in short. Alright, I'm going to mainly focus on the 5 minute, but it's good to have the 1 minute up, I guess. Wow, I'm down 1370 for the day. That's unfortunate. Oh, there's only one of you watching now, so I guess I'm not embarrassing in front of too many of you. But dang, yo, I thought wrong, I guess. I thought wrong. We're going higher. I just don't want to blow another account, but we'll see. $7.59. Look, you gotta go. I really do gotta go. If I get filled here, fantastic. I don't think it's gonna go higher. I don't think it is gonna go higher.
Order filled.
It's my last, please. Yes! Yes, it's exactly what I wanted. I'm gonna just secure a little profit because I can't take a loss anymore for the day. Let's go. I'm greeting. I'm greeting. No! What are you popping up for again? Are you serious right now? I want us to go all the way back down here. Yes. No. Alright. I need this candle to close red. Very, very crucial that this candle closes red. Until then, we have a problem. One tick from stopping me out. Come on, 20 seconds. Stay red. Stay red. You should come down and fill this fair value gap right here, I think. Chat, don't you agree? Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Keep pushing, keep pushing. This is the chop I'm talking about. Price likes to go up and go. Yes. No, no, no. Don't pop up. Don't pop up now. No, please don't. No.
Order filled.
Alright. I'm ending. I'm ending the stream, guys. We lost $1,000. Yo, it's so funny. You guys want to see something? Hey! Only $40.40 down on the week now. I gotta make $2,000 by the end of this trading day, which is tomorrow. Oh man, that's so funny. I really should go. Yeah, guys, I gotta get going. Thank you to all that pulled up to the stream. Thank you to all the new people. I hope you had an entertaining time. I tried my very best. And pull up for tomorrow's New York trading session. I'll see you guys then. Hopefully I don't blow the account by then. Peace.